Welcome to OUTHAUS 3D Prints. Take 357, Sunday, Quickie. All right, printing some platypus keychains, have a keychain obsession going. I ended up buying the Cheaty Q2 and the AMS system. Got 50 bucks off, so what the heck, 600 bucks for the unit, free shipping. Struggling mightily with silver and gold filament. I don't know what is going on. I've tried everything. Heat up, heat down, extruder, the pressure, all that stuff. I just cannot get this stuff to play nice. I'm trying to print this for my friend again. He wants silver and gold, and I've had so many failures. I didn't save any of them. Here we got our platypuses going because I like platypuses. And then I know some of you saw my shorts, but here we go. Here's the finished product for some of the towers. I really enjoy doing these. I really do. I enjoy doing these very much. It's cathartic for me. So I will continue to make these. Hopefully I can sell some. Now over here, ooh, ooh, he got a rack. Yeah, I got myself a rack. I'm going to need another one because I'm getting another printer. On to the Soval. Unfortunately, I replaced the board and the fan, but it is no longer connecting to Clipper, so I'm still in contact with Soval. I bought a new extruder head. It's coming from China. They don't have one in the U.S., but I'm still talking to Soval. Who knows? Maybe they'll send me another one and I'll have an extra just in case. Again, this is not Soval's fault, really Soval's fault. It was more my fault. And I actually got a light in the corner. So that's it for a Sunday. Like I said, a quickie. Look at the platypuses. Have yourself a great rest of the day.